Hello, my name is Kyla Jeter and I am the Elementary Teaching and Learning Technology Specialist for Spartanburg School District 3. Today I will be teaching you how to create a Symbaloo Webmix. Symbaloo is a platform that allows you to visually bookmark and keep track of your favorite websites using picture tiles. First, let's navigate to www.symbalooedu.com and click Create Your Free Account if you do not already have a free Symbaloo account. If you do already have a free account, then simply log in. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon on the tab toolbar at the top of the page to create a new webmix. Give your webmix a name and click Add. Click on a blank tile to edit it, and you'll have the choice to create a tile, which means create a brand new tile, search a tile, which means you can search for an already created tile to use from someone else's webmix, or browse tiles by category, which means you can search from pre-made tiles by category. Let's start with the Create a Tile feature. To create a new tile, select Create a Tile. Type in or copy and paste the web address of the resource or web page you'd like to bookmark. Sometimes the resource or web page name will automatically appear in the name box, but sometimes you will have to enter it manually. After the tile is named, you have a few more options. You can decide whether to show text on the tile, change the tile and or text color, and choose an icon picture for the tile. After you have designed your tile, click Save. Now let's look at the Search a Tile feature. First, click a blank tile. Then select Search a Tile. Type the name of the resource or web page into the search box that you are looking for. If you'd like to use one of the tiles displayed from your search results, click the tile and it should copy to your webmix. Now let's look at the Browse Tiles by Category feature. First, click a blank tile. Then select Browse Tiles by Category. Select the category and click the tile or tiles you like to use in your webmix. Then simply click Add to my webmix to copy those tiles to your webmix. To move or reorganize the tiles in your webmix, simply drag and drop the tiles where you would like them to appear. To edit your tiles, right-click any tile and choose Edit from the pop-up menu. You can also copy or move tiles between webmixes, delete tiles, and share tiles by right-clicking on individual tiles. To edit an entire webmix, click the Options button on the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you can rename a webmix, change the wallpaper or background of a webmix, change the webmix icon, change your webmix size, or make your webmix see-through. To delete an entire Webmix, select the Webmix you would like to delete and click the Remove button on the toolbar at the top of the page and follow the directions displayed on your screen. To share your Webmix so others have access to it, click the share icon, which looks like the less than symbol, on the toolbar at the top of the page. Type a short description into the Webmix description box. Then choose to share your Webmix publicly, which means it will become available to the public in the Symbaloo gallery, or privately, which means it will only be available to people you share the URL link with. Then click Share My Webmix. Once your Webmix is shared, you will get a URL share link and an embed code in case you would like to embed the Webmix into your personal web page or blog. The URL share link is the link that you will share with others. If you make any changes to your Webmix after you have already created the share URL link, you'll have to click the share icon, which looks like the less than symbol, once again at the top of the page, and click Update Webmix for the changes to be applied to all of the places you shared the Webmix, or to update the Webmix for people who have saved your Webmix and subscribed to your updates. And just like that, you're done. You just successfully created and shared your first Symbaloo Webmix. Again, this is Kyla Jeter from Spartanburg School District 3. Be sure to stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more useful tech tool tutorials. And as always, happy teching!